Python unittest conditional assert. I need to test if either assert equal var a or assert equal var2 a is true. I can't just write them like, because that's not the scope of the test. The test should succeed whether var equals a or var2 equals a, but in this case if for instance var2 equals b it will fail. So how could I write this test? Because if I use if assert equal var a or assert equal var2 a column, what should I type inside?
You could use assert true. I had a slightly different problem. If var was either a or b, I used assert in var a, b.
Unittest.